the order which comes under challenge, my lord, is on the premises, my lords, that insofar as the conduct rules of 1966 are there, they have come to be adopted by the electricity.
Madam, you are at 139 or 140?
139.
130.
139.
Yes.
Well, the order is of 26/5/2025, my lord, and the basis is, my lord, number one, as per the MP Civil Service Conduct Rules 1966, my lord, there is no provision for a full-fledged preliminary inquiry to be conducted. Number one.
Madam, which is the implement order you are referring to?
This is at P21 at page 103.
P21. Adesh.
Right, sir?
Three implements with cumulative effect.
See, but the procedure what we're saying is which was adopted. The premises A, there is no provision under the rules for conduct of a full preliminary inquiry. Number one. The authors of this inquiry report become the witnesses and bring the guilt home against me behind my back. Provision is not in the rules of 1966. Number two. As far as Rule 15 is concerned, there is no provision that once the inquiry officer submits the inquiry report, a committee comes to be constituted by the disciplinary authority, and that said committee, a novel procedure unknown to the service jurisprudence, the committee is constituted. The committee does its analysis and it gives its opinion on the inquiry report, and on the basis whereof the same thing is submitted to the disciplinary authority. The disciplinary authority, on the basis of the preliminary inquiry report, on the basis of the inquiry report, and on the basis of the committee's opinion, imposes the penalty. Let's straight away come, my lord, briefly with the rules. Straight away, my lord, so that things become very clear. Straight away come, my lords, which is at P2 are the rules. 14, procedure for imposing the penalty, right, sir? An opinion is formulated. I skip. I come to 6 at page 35. This is what if either he does himself or he appoints an inquiry authority. As in this case, it was done. So all those things he is required to do so. Having done so, sir, P6, my lord, there are 3 inquiry reports, which is of 19/9/2019 at page 44. Right, sir? The entire thing. And my guilt has been...
No, madam, let's understand. Firstly, there was a preliminary inquiry.
We had my back.
Then, on the basis of preliminary inquiry, charge sheet was issued.
No, there's a report.
There's a report. The charge sheet was issued.
There was a report, and then the charge sheet also there is the basis is this only.
Charge sheet, one of the documents to be relied in the charge sheet must be that PE report.
The 3 reports are there.
3 reports means one is the PE report.
Preliminary, preliminary there are 3.
3 P's.
Very right, very right.
Then one regular inquiry report conducted.
There's one inquiry report, and then there is an opinion.
Opinion report by a committee of 3 officers.
Committee.
Committee 3 officers.
Yes.
Who have assessed the 3 P's.
Right.
Vis-a-vis the post inquiry report of the inquiry officer.
Right.
And arrived to their conclusion.
Right.
And then the disciplinary authority has taken note of that 3 officer reports.
Right. So my submission to my lord...
We can get it.
I'll come straight away. We first come to the inquiry reports. I'll just take my lord to the 3 reports without going. First report is my lord...
The EO report. Ultimately, P loses its charm. Once EO...
No, here it doesn't lose the charm. It grows fully. Where my guilt has been. This is what it is.
Whether the EO has found the guilt to be proved.
Yes. That is what I'm trying to. Page 44, I'll come straight. Page 44, P6, I'll take where my guilt has been brought home against me. The complete opinion at page 55, my name, my lord, appears. He is Ram Vineet Tiwari. 448. ये इसमें लिखा हुआ है कितना क्या है कनेक्शंस के बारे में जिसको दिया अनाधिकृत रूप से 448. ये एक इन्होंने ड्रॉ कंक्लूजन कर दिया मेरे खिलाफ.
448 दिनेश अहिरवार.
ये नहीं.
That is my lord at page 55. Serial number would be 26.
रविकांत तिवारी. उसके on the last में 448 number of the connections वो चार्ट है सर.
55 chart is there, yes.
Chart. तो 55 में अपन straight away आ जाएं. Serial number would be 27, sir.
Niwadi.
Yes, Niwadi. 448. These are the illegal connections. They draw a conclusion, sir. This is the first report.
Ram Vineet Tiwari.
Ram Vineet Tiwari, the petitioner hearing, my lord. Right, sir? Now I skip it. I'll go ahead. Second report is of 30th September 2019, P7 at page 58, sir. Here also by page 59, item number 11, श्री राम विनीत तिवारी कनिष्ठ यंत्री निवारी के साथ 448 नंबर सो एंड सो कनेक्शनों का सत्यापन एवं मापन कर राशि सो रुपए का भुगतान कर कंपनी का वित्तीय क्षति पहुंचाई गई. ये आगे सर. नाउ नेक्स्ट कम्स द थर्ड इज माय लॉर्ड P8 at page 64. Here also sir निवाड़ी का लिखा है रिकवरेबल अमाउंट जो लिखा है इन्होंने उसमें आता है पेज आगे
2528G95.
लेकिन तो ये तीनों ये रिपोर्ट्स हो गए सर तीनों. Now आई एम स्किपिंग इट बिकॉज़ पहले कोर्ट में आए थे. इट वाज फाउंड टू बी इलीगल बट इट वाज फ्रेश. नाउ P10 इज अ चार्ज शीट 14/12/22 सर.
Yes.
आई स्किप. नाउ इसमें जो आरोपों का विवरण है इसमें आ जाए पेज 79 में. पेज 79 सर. लेट्स हैव आरोप क्रमांक 1 में सेकंड फर्स्ट पैरा एंड सेकंड पैरा. इसी प्रकार मंडला जिले में सौभाग्य योजना के कार्यों की जांच हेतु कंपनी द्वारा गठित जांच दल दिनांक 7/3 में प्रोसेस जांच प्रतिवेदन जो भी मैंने पढ़ के सुनाया. दिस बिकम्स द बेसिस सर. नाउ नेक्स्ट माय लॉर्ड वुड बी आरोपों का विवरण में अपन देखें. ये मुख्य महाप्रबंधक हैं आरोपों का विवरण में पेज 80. तो ये कौन है गवाह जो होंगे मुख्य दे आर द ऑथर्स. मुख्य महाप्रबंधक है ग्रामीण परियोजना. दिस इज जो पहली रिपोर्ट है वो है P6 वाली 19/9/2009 इन पेज 44 में. सेकंड इज मुख्य महाप्रबंधक ग्रामीण 39/19 which is at page 58 P7 and the
persons who have carried out physical inspection.
They did everything and gave the report.
So they have to be cross-examined because in their physical inspection they found the work to be substandard.
No, they said substandard whatever they gave against me sir. Preliminary था. Take it. But behind my back, now this becomes first the basis of the charge sheet, sir. Number one. Let's have next, my lord, is the list of documents. दस्तावेजों की सूची देख ले सर. यही है जो रिपोर्ट्स हैं. Clear, sir? At page 82. Right. I skip. गवाहों की सूची में यही जो authors हैं इस रिपोर्ट के यही है गवाह सर. Now we come next, sir, to the inquiry report P14 at page 89. तो दिस इज वन सर. नंबर 2 वी हैव द बेसिस आरोप पत्र में है बेसिस पेज 91. यह की एम आई डेविड मलॉज पेज 91. यह की अभियोजन गवाह द्वारा उल्लेख किए गए निवारी वितरण केंद्र में सौभाग्य योजना के अंतर्गत जारी किए गए घरेलू संयोजन का भौतिक सत्यापन श्री तिवारी द्वारा नहीं किया गया अपितु भौतिक सत्यापन हेतु अलग
Two unproved, one partially proved.
नहीं पर इसमें प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी को बेस बना दिया. What I'm trying to say, sir, all this was behind my back. Number one, Supreme Court says it cannot be made the basis of the charge sheet or the penultimate order. It just can't be because everything was behind my back. So here, everything the basis is these reports only, which was behind my back. Now, on that basis, my lord, not the order which comes in at page 21. Now, this is I will skip. उन्होंने आरोप पत्रों को reproduce किया. We come straight away at page 104. And have a perusal of rule 15 which is on record. Before I take this, let me take my laws to rule 15 which comes at page.
No, but you did not participate in the inquiry, madam.
No, he did. He submitted. He's asked for the documents of all this. He was not given. This is what his submission is. We filed the 2 applications. Now, 15. Now, action on the inquiry report page 40 में page 40 में देख लें. With the rules, sir. Am I there with my laws, please? Action on the inquiry as per the conduct rule, sir.
No, madam, just one thing. Have you been punished for both the charges or one charge?
For both.
For both the charges?
Both. For both the charges.
Was there any notice of disagreement?
No. It was not a disagreement. This is not a case of disagreement.
No.
It's a case.
Inquiry officer held charge number to be unproved.
So there was no disagreement. There was no disagreement.
Have you been punished for charge number 2 also?
But the order is there to that effect, sir. ये 107 में लिया. उससे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा आपको ले जाना चाहती 105 पन्ने में. उससे पहले रूल के बारे में पेज 40. I'm bringing it only on the legal submission, sir. Page 40 में action on the inquiry report. So the disciplinary authority, if it is not itself the inquiry authority, may for reasons to be recorded by writing, remit the case to the inquiry authority for further inquiry and report. The inquiry authority shall thereupon proceed to go further. The disciplinary authority shall, if it disagrees, ये नहीं है. If the disciplinary authority having regard to findings on all or any of the articles of what I'm trying to, there is nothing like a constitution of a committee. Once the inquiry, the powers of the disciplinary get delegated to one.
That's why, madam, I am asking
Look,
whether
there was no disagreement. Now, let's have a look at page 105 now. The rule does not stipulate constitution of any committee whatsoever. Now, what they have done, 105.
no, where is the 3-member committee constitution?
ये है ना, इसी में आ गया है.
उसका order है madam sir.
That order is also there on record.
जी.
Annexure.
उससे पहले इस जांच रिपोर्ट से पहले
That is my lord, annexure P12, 8/6/2023, page 86.
यस, इसमें लिखा ना लास्ट में समिति प्राप्त सभी प्रकरणों में अधिरोपित आरोपों एवं जांचकर्ता अधिकारी द्वारा प्रस्तुत जांच निष्कर्ष के मुख्य बिंदुओं के आधार पर चेकलिस्ट तैयार कर 15 दिवस में प्रकरण अपने अभिमत सहित आगामी कार्रवाई हेतु प्रस्तुत करेगी. यदि जांच कार्रवाई अथवा जांच निष्कर्ष में सभी बिंदुओं पर जांच में समावेश न किया हो तो ऐसी स्थिति में जांचकर्ता अधिकारी को पुनः प्रकरण वापस किए जाने की संबंधी अभिमत की जाएगी. अब 105 में क्या बोलते हैं? मध्य प्रदेश सिविल सर्विस सेवा वर्गीकरण नियंत्रण एवं अपील रूल 66 के नियम 15 नहीं बोलता ये सब में निहित प्रावधान अनुसार विभिन्न जिलों में सौभाग्य योजना अंतर्गत विद्युतीकरण कार्यों में पाई गई अनियमितताओं हेतु प्रथम दृष्टया दोषी पाए गए कार्मिकों के विरुद्ध संस्थापित विभागीय जांच
Did you file appeal?
because the order being a nullity, sir, on the face of it from the very at Supreme Court, my lords.
Okay, we'll issue notice. Let
We
the
have
reply
it,
come.
my lord. My only prayer to my lords will be the order being a nullity. Satyendra ka case ka. So latest Supreme Court's decision, my lord, on this is that no, where things are bad, it cannot be at all. Preliminary तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Just this is Satyendra ka. And then comes on the preliminary, my lords. What's Satyendra? Satyendra. Para would be 16 and 17.
Yet it should be authorized by statute.
Yes. और यहाँ दो चीजें हैं, एक तो जांच का प्रिलिमिनरी का और दूसरा कमेटी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आप उसका देखेंगे उनकी जांच की रिपोर्ट उन्होंने एक में एनालिसिस किया है कैसे इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट खराब है. ये कहां से ये प्रावधान है और उसके बलबूते पे ये पेनल्टी दे रहे हैं. सो द द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ऑफ द ऑर्डर इज बैड. Therefore, it needs to be put immediately on rest now.
This is the judgment in para 7.
Did you challenge this P12, madam?
Beg your pardon?
Did you challenge P12 at that time?
Challenge the preliminary inquiry.
Did you challenge this P12 at that time?
No, I don't think so. That they are not aware of all that. They may not be aware of all the provisions of law and. But we have challenged this order now. In this petition, we
Madam,
challenged.
let's see reply come. You will see then.
The only thing is that with the order being bad on the face of it, something it was, my lord, on a factual position I can understand. I am exclusively on a legal submissions and where the Supreme Court very clearly puts it. This is Ishwar Das mein kya? It is admitted by the learned counsel for the appellant that there is no provision for preliminary inquiry in the All India Services 1969. The preliminary inquiry was held only in order to facilitate and to find out as to whether any case is made out against respondent or not. In the absence of there being any provision, मेरा twin है. One, preliminary inquiry. Second, constitution. In our opinion, no such preliminary inquiry could have been held before deciding as to which charge delinquent employee or not. The employee is entitled to undertake a minimal action. That's all. This is not, they have taken a full-fledged, which is not permissible. That becomes the basis of the charge sheet. That becomes the basis of the inquiry report. That becomes the basis of the penalty. Something very novel has been adopted by the respondent organization. That's the only, I'm on a legal front only, my lords.
You can consider.
As my lord pleases. As my lord pleases. I said it life should please. Great deal of life was taking out of turn, sir. Great deal of life.
The order passed by the Khas Scrutiny Committee is under challenge.